a dish which is originated from Mysore Palace, Karnataka, South India, a wholesome food and easy to prepare. Hello, namaste, welcome to Patravali. This is Madhuri. Yes, I was talking about Bisibele Bhat. Today's fast forward life, people are compromising on their taste buds as everybody are very health conscious. Bisibele Bhat is one such dish which satisfies your taste buds and is also covering all required nutritional requirements. So let's start cooking Bisibele Bhat. To prepare this Bisibele Bhat, we need to have rice, Toor Dal, dried red chillies, urad dal and chana dal, big lemon sized tamarind soaked in water, raw peanuts, tomatoes, onions, different kinds of vegetables, asafoetida, salt, mustard seeds, dried spices, oil and sambar powder or Bisibele Bhat powder. Now switch on the stove, take a pressure cooker. First we have to add 3/4 cup of Toor Dal, half cup of rice. We have to wash rice and dal before adding it to the cooker. Now we have to add vegetables. You can add any leftover vegetables or any kind of green vegetable to this dish. Then we have to add tomatoes and onions. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw peanuts. As I was saying, vegetables, generally we have to add watery vegetables like bottle gourd, cucumber and then brinjal kind of vegetables. And potatoes also will give you a taste. You can also add carrot if you want, but generally you have to add watery vegetables. Potatoes will also add the taste. Now we have to add at least 750 ml of water to this. Now close the cooker with the lid. We have to pressure cook till you get at least 5 to 6 whistles. Now it's done. Open the lid. Now see the consistency. The vegetables, dal and rice should get completely cooked like this. Now we have to add tamarind extract. Four to 5 tablespoons of Bisibele Bhat powder or sambar powder. This recipe I have already shown you in my previous video. Then salt as per taste. Now switch on the stove. Mix all of them evenly. Add some more water so that it should be a bit juicy. Now Bisibele Bhat is ready. Switch off the stove. Let's do the tempering part. Take a kadai, switch on the stove, add at least 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Now add mustard seeds, asafoetida or hing. We have to wait till mustard seeds splutter. Now that the mustard seeds start spluttering, add 3 to 4 dried red chillies. Then we have to add 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Then we have to add 4 to 5 cloves and a piece of dalchini. Now that the tempering is ready, switch off the stove. Now switch on the stove. Add this tempering to the Bisibele Bhat. Mix them evenly. Bisibele Bhat is ready. Switch off your stove. Let's plate this. Mouth-watering Bisibele Bhat is ready. Serve this with ghee, fries or papads. Please do try this at your home and let me know how you liked it in my comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos, and don't forget to press bell icon for further notifications.